Someone recently messaged me and said, Ma'am, I need a job, but I don't have experience. Every time I apply, company asks for 1 or 2 years of experience. So how I am supposed to get my first job? No one seems willing to hire freshers. I have applied to more than 50 companies and haven't received a single message. When I read this message, my heart went out to her because I know this is not just her story. This is the story of lakhs of freshers right now. Resume ready, energy ready, but feeling completely stuck, feeling like the system is designed against them. And if you are watching this and thinking, ये तो मेरी बात कर रही है, then yes, this today's video is for you, especially for you. But before I give you the tips, I want to say one thing first. And I really need you to hear this. The problem is not you. You didn't fail. The system has just this weird, frustrating loop. Company want experience, but nobody wants to give you that first chance to get experience. I know how demotivating this feels, especially when you are studied hard. You have given everything to college and now you are sitting there refreshing your inbox and nothing is coming. But here's what I have seen after working with so many freshers. A degree gets you in the room, but your skills get you in the job. I have seen freshers with average marks getting the very good roles. And I also seen that toppers struggling for months. The difference almost always comes down to one thing. What can you actually do? So today I'm going to walk you through 4 practical things you can start doing right now, even if your resume seems completely empty. I know what you are thinking. So ना internship भी experience मांगती है. Not always. A lot of startup, NGOs, small businesses, they are not looking for someone with 5 years of work history. They are looking for someone who is willing to learn and show up. That's it. So start small. Apply to 1-month internship. Volunteer for a local event. Even helping a small business manage their Instagram or update their websites for a few weeks. That counts. Because the moment you have one internship on your resume, you are no longer someone with zero experience. You are someone who has worked, and that one line changes everything. Okay, this one is my favorite, and it works for almost every field. If you are from IT or engineering, build a small project. It doesn't have to be a project or groundbreaking. A simple app, a basic website, a GitHub repo with clean code. Put it out there. If you are from marketing or media, start a small page around something you genuinely like. Write LinkedIn posts, create sample campaign for your brands, even if they never ask you. If you are from HR or management, write about what you are learning. Document a mock hiring process. Show that you think like a professional, even before someone paid you for that. Because this is the big truth. Recruiters don't want to just hear that I'm a fast learner. Everybody says that. Show them that what you are doing and what you are capable of. Don't wait for someone to hand you experience. Create evidence of what you can do. See, we live in such a good time for this, honestly. Google, LinkedIn, Coursera, NPTEL, free and affordable courses are everywhere. And a certification from Google or LinkedIn, it actually carries real weight. Recruiters notice it. But this is very important. Don't just collect certificates like trophies, Learn something, apply it, even if just a small practice project you do on your own. Because in your interview, when someone asks, tell me about this course, you should be able to talk about it confidently. Not just say, हाँ मैंने ये किया था और उसके बाद like blank. Pick 1 or 2 skills that are actually relevant to the jobs you want. Go deep on those. I know this one makes a lot of freshers uncomfortable. So now I don't know anyone. मेरा network सिर्फ मेरे college friend है. This is something I hear so many times. And that's okay. Genuinely, everyone starts from there. See, LinkedIn is not just a job board. It's where professionals are having real conversation every single day. And you can be part of that conversation too. So here you need to start very simple. Connect with your seniors from college, the ones who already have jobs. Send them a genuine message. Not like, please refer me straight away. No. Just, hey, I saw you are working at X. I would love to know how you got started. People love talking about their journey. They respond instantly. Then start posting, share what you are learning, comment on posts in your field, show up every single manner. Because when a recruiter lands on your profile and sees that you are being active, you are being sharing, you are engaging, you are already stand out from tons of profiles that are not doing anything. Your network right now doesn't have to be big, just has to start. So now let me bring it all together. No experience does not mean no chance. It means you have to be a little more intentional, a little more proactive, a little more willing to start before you are actually ready. Do one internship, even it is small. Build one project, get 1 or 2 solid certification, and start showing up on LinkedIn. You don't have to do all of this overnight. Just pick one. Start with this week, then the next. That's very simple. Because trust me, there's nothing worse than landing a job and realizing after 2 months, oh yeah, this is not for me. What I'm doing here. But there is something even worse than that. Waiting to feel ready and watching months go by without moving an inch. And to that girl who messaged me, and to everyone watching who felt the same thing she felt, your degree opened the door. Now, let your skill, your work, and your consistency do the talking. And listen, before I go, let me save you some time. I am putting a list of companies that actually hire freshers, IT companies, startups, bank, even government internship in the description below. Go check it out, bookmark it, start applying this week. If this video helped you even a little, share it with one friend who need to hear this right now. Because they might be sitting somewhere feeling exactly the way you felt at the beginning of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Your coach, Sona Bhatt. Take care. Bye-bye.